Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today math class. Today I am going to continue the same topic, mensuration, exercise 11.3. We will see some problem solving today based on LSA, TSA of the 3D objects which we discussed in previous class, cube, cuboid and cylinder. So about their surface area formulas already we discussed in previous class. Based on the formula, today class will see some problem solving. Here from exercise 11.3 we have second problem beta. A suitcase with measures 80 cm, 48 cm, 24 cm, length into breadth into height. So it has length, breadth, height and all the three dimensions are different. So how the suitcase in cuboid shape. To be covered with a tarpaulin cloth, some thick cloth. So they covered with a tarpaulin cloth, it seems. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 cm is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Here I think so. This tarpaulin cloth is there in rectangle shape. In that rectangle shape, he gave the width and asking how many meters of the length. So we have to find how many meters of length of the tarpaulin cloth is required to cover 100 such suitcases. So first we need to find what is the cloth required for one suitcase. So suitcase is here in rectangle shape. Suitcase in rectangle shape. So here the length of suitcase L is equal to how much? 80 centimeters. And breadth is equal to 48 centimeters and height is equal to 24 centimeters. Suppose here you can see one cuboid. Imagine now suitcase is like this. Now this suitcase I want to cover with a tarpaulin cloth. How many faces we need to cover with the tarpaulin cloth, beta? Sir, we need to cover all the 6 faces. All the 6 faces we need to cover with a tarpaulin cloth. So, to know the required cloth for one suitcase is equal to what we need to find? Can we go with LSA or TSA? Not LSA, we go with TSA. All the 6 faces we need to cover with tarpaulin cloth. So, tarpaulin cloth required for one suitcase is equal to, yes, we can go for solution beta. Now, write here, tarpaulin cloth. Yes, tarpaulin cloth required for one suitcase. For one suitcase is equal to. How can I find the area of all the 6 faces? What do we call area of all the 6 faces? Total surface area. Yes. Sir, find the TSA of the cuboid. I mean suitcase. Find the TSA of cuboid. The reason suitcase is there in cuboid shape. So what is the formula to find the TSA of the cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Submit the values of length, breadth, height, beta. L into B, we can write here 80 cm into 48 cm plus B into H. 48 cm into where H is equal to how much? 24 cm plus H into L. 24 cm into 80 centimeters. Simplify beta here now. 2 into 8 into 8 64. 4 6 carry. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 6 38 10 centimeters square centimeters plus multiply this both beta. 48 multiply with 24. 4 8 is 32. 4 4 16 plus 3 19. 2 8 is 16 1 carry. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9. 2 9 plus 6 15. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. 1152 square centimeters plus 8 4 is 32 2 3 carry. 8 2 is 16 16 plus 3 19 and 10 left square centimeters. is equal to 2 into, let us do addition better. Let's see what we get by adding all this. 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920. 2, 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 8, 10, 19, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 6,912, 6,912 square centimeters. Now is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 8 1 10, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13,824 square meters of tarpaulin cloth is required for what? For how many suitcase? One suitcase. Then we need to find how much a tarpaulin cloth is required for 100 such suitcases. So for one suitcase 13,000 change. For 100 suitcase 13,000 change into 100 will get the cloth required for 100 such suitcases. Yes. Now let me write better here. Yes, cloth required. Yes, we'll write now here. Now tarpaulin cloth required for how many? For 100 suitcases. 100 suitcases is equal to cloth required for one suitcase 13,824 square centimeters into 100, which gives us 13,824 ones are 13,824 2 zeros square centimeters. Yes, 13,82,400 square centimeters of tarpaulin cloth is required for what? For 100 such suitcases. Now we need to find what is the length of tarpaulin cloth. Yes, here they gave tarpaulin cloth and which is in rectangle shape. So how many meters of length of tarpaulin cloth is required they are asking, and they said width is 96 centimeters. I mean breadth is equal to 96 centimeters. Asking to find what is the length of tarpaulin cloth. So here we can write area of required is required tarpaulin cloth. Yes, required tarpaulin cloth for 100 suitcase. 100 suitcase is how much beta? 13,82,400 square centimeter. So to know that, you can write area of that rectangle. You can write area of rectangle tarpaulin cloth. Area of rectangle tarpaulin cloth is equal to how much? 13,82,400 square centimeters. Area of rectangle, we know length into breadth is equal to 13,82,400 square centimeters. So what is the length? We have to find, and the breadth is 96 centimeters is equal to 13,82,400 square centimeters. Now to find the length, this into 96 you can transpose, so that we get the value of the breadth. Yes, let me do here beta. Now let us find the length from here. To know the length, this into 96 you can transpose and simplify. We'll do here. We'll do here. Length is equal to 13,82,400 square centimeter. Let me write centimeter into centimeter. This into 96 you can transpose by 96 centimeter. 1 centimeter cancel. Now this both you can simplify, which gives the length value. We'll cancel with 8 10 here. See, 8 1s are 8, 1 left. 8 2s are 16. Here you can see better. 8 1s are 8, 2 3 5, 5 left 58, 8 sevens are 56, 2 left, 8 twos are 16, 4 to 6 left, 8 eights are 64, 2 zeros there. Now let us write here length is equal to 1728 double zero by 12 centimeters. You can see better here now. 12 ones are 12. Here 5 left, right? 12 fours are 48, 4 left. 12 fours are 48. So 2 zeros above. So which is 14,400 centimeter. But they are asking how many meters of tarpaulin cloth is required. So this we need to express in terms of meters. See, better to express into meters, just you can divide it by 100. So that it becomes meters. 20 cancel. The final answer is length is equal to 144 meters. Yes, 144 meter length of tarpaulin cloth is required to cover this 100 such suitcases with tarpaulin cloth. Hope it is clear to all. Just they gave a suitcase and they are asking how much cloth is required to cover 100 such suitcases. See, here we need to cover all the 6 faces of a suitcase. To know the area of all the 6 faces of suitcase, we have to find the TSA of cuboid. So after getting the TSA of a cuboid, it gives the cloth required for one suitcase. From there, you can find the cloth required for 100 suitcases. Here they said cloth is in rectangle shape. Breadth he gave, he asked me to find the length. So cloth required for 100 suitcases is nothing but area of tarpaulin cloth. So length into breadth. Here they gave the breadth and you have to find the length. Hope it is clear to all. Yes children, here we have one more question based on surface areas. Fifth one you can see here. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. So here we have a cuboidal hall. According to question, we have a cuboidal hall and whose length, breadth, height. Whose length, breadth, height are, length is 15 meter and the breadth is equal to 10 meters and height is equal to how much? 7 meters. From each can of paint, 100 square meter of area is painted. How many cans of paint she need to paint the room? So where they need to paint better? Paint the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall. So they want to paint 4 walls, laterals plus ceiling, I mean top. You know in cuboid, all the faces are rectangle shape. So area of the top, nothing but area of the bottom. Both are same, congruent. So we need to find, see required area to be painted is nothing but area of the 4 walls. I mean LSA of this cuboidal hall plus area of the ceiling is nothing but area of the top. Area of the top. Then we get the required area to be painted. See better your solution. Required area to be painted is equal to, yes, we'll write required area to be painted is equal. How can I find how much area we need to paint? Painting the walls, I mean 4 walls. It means LSA of cuboid. LSA of cuboidal hall plus ceiling of cuboidal hall. It means area of top rectangle. Area of top rectangle. Ceiling means area of top rectangle. So you can find LSA of cuboid hall. What is the formula beta? 2h into L plus B. Plus what is the area of top rectangle? C it is length. This one is breadth. So we can write length into breadth. Submit the values 2 in the place of height. 7 meters into L plus B beta. 15 meter plus 10 meter plus L into B. 15 meter into 10 meter. Dot means into here. 2 7s are 14. 14 meter into 15 plus 10. 25 meter plus 15 into 10. 150 square meters. Simplify this better. 14 5s are 70. 0 7 carry. 14 2s are 28 plus 7. 35. 350 meter plus 150 meter square, which is equal to how much? 300, 400, 500. 500 square meters. 500 square meters. Let me write here now. Required, yes, required area to be painted is equal to how much? 500 square meters of area they need to paint. And they said 1 can paint is sufficient for 100 square meters area. Then 500 square meters area is equal to how many cans? 5 cans are required. So can I find that? Here comparison is between area and number of cans. We'll write here area in square meters and number of cans. So what is the area here? 100 square meters. So when the area is 100 square meters, number of cans are 1. According to this, when the area is 500 square meters, how many cans are required? So we don't know. We'll take some x number of cans are required. Then you can go with cross multiplication. 100 into x. 100 into x is equal to 500 into 1. So x is equal to 500 ones are 500 into 100 if you transpose by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. X is equal to 5. What is mean by x beta? Number of cans required to paint the 500 square meters area. We write here now therefore number of cans. What they ask? How many cans of paint? Yes, number of cans of paint required is equal to. How many cans of paint is required? 5 cans of paint is required to paint 500 square meters area. Children, you can see one more here. We have 7th one. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meters and height 3 meters. Here we have a closed cylindrical tank. We have one closed cylindrical tank, and whose radius is 7 meters, and the height of cylinder is how much? 3 meters. Height of cylinder is 3 meters. Is made of a metal sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? How much metal sheet is required to make this cylinder? First we need to observe here. They said closed cylindrical tank. It means its top and bottom also covered with metal sheet. Top is closed, bottom also closed. Means not only laterals, even top and bottom also. See, not only laterals, even top and bottom also covered with metal sheet. Now tell me, how can I find the required metal sheet? Required metal sheet is equal to, we need a metal sheet to cover its lateral face of cylinder, and also we need to cover its top and bottom. The reason they said it is the closed cylindrical tank. So we need to cover lateral faces plus top plus bottom. So here we can write required, yes, required metal sheet. Required metal sheet is equal to what we can write? LSA of cylinder. Sorry, battery can write TSA of cylinder instead of top and bottom. Why? Because not only lateral faces, even top and bottom also we need to cover with metal sheet now. So required metal sheet to make a closed cylindrical tank. To make a closed cylindrical tank is equal, it's enough to find TSA of cylinder. So because TSA means all the faces, lateral faces plus area of the top plus area of the bottom. We can consider this TSA. So TSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, where r is equal to radius 7 meters he gave, h is equal to 3 meters. Submit with now 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into where the radius is 7 meters into radius 7 meter plus height is 3 meters. So 7 1 cancel. 22 into 2 we can write 44 meter. 7 plus 3 we can write 10 meters. So 44 times are 440 square meters. 440 square meters of metal sheet is required. Yes. Now we can write therefore yes, required metal sheet. Yes, required metal sheet to make a closed cylindrical tanker. To make closed cylindrical tank is equal to 440 square meters of metal sheet is required. We have one more application here based on the cylinder. Here you can see beta, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find area of the road. If the diameter of the road roller is 85 cm and the length is 1 meter. So let us take here we have one road. So this is the road roller. You know the shape of the road roller is like cylinder shape. It is the cylinder shape. So to cover this land once to level this road, it is taking how many revolutions? It is taking 750 revolutions. It is taking 750 revolutions. Once to over the level the road. Find area of the road. He is asking find the area of the road if the diameter of road roller is 84 centimeters. So radius is equal to what is the formula? Half of diameter. So as diameter is 84 centimeter by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are. Sorry, 2 4s are. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So radius is equal to how much beta? 42 centimeters. And the height length is 1 meter. Here the length is nothing but height beta. Height is equal to 1 meter. Centimeter there, meter there. Both are different units. So try to express same units. R is equal to 42 by 100 meters. The centimeter once if I divide by 100 it becomes into meter beta. So R is equal to we can get 0.42 meters. And height is equal to how much? 1 meter. Now you can see here, when we can see one complete revolution, suppose here we have road roller. Suppose if it complete one revolution like this, see till here it is completed one revolution. Till here it is completed one revolution. When we can say it is completed one revolution? When its LSA covered once. If it completed its LSA once, then we can say that till here it is one revolution. Till here it is one revolution. So when it is going to complete it LSA once, it means one revolution is finished. So the area it covered in one revolution is equal to what beta? LSA of this cylinder. LSA of the cylinder. Then area it covered in 750 revolutions equal to 750 into LSA of cylinder. So one revolution LSA of cylinder. 750 revolutions 750 into LSA of a cylinder, which gives area of the road. Hope it is clear. So one important thing we need to observe that one revolution is completed. It means one LSA is completed. So when it covered its LSA once completely, it means it is equal to one revolution. One revolution. Now we can find area of the road will write it. Yes. Area of road. Area of road is equal to how much beta? 750 complete revolutions. 750 complete revolutions. It means 750 into one complete revolution means what beta? When we can say one complete revolution is finished, when it's covered, it LSA once. It's LSA once. Complete revolution means we can write LSA of cylinder. Yes. LSA of, sorry, we'll write it LSA of road roller which is in cylinder shape. Which is in cylinder shape. So what is the formula we have? 750 into LSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Simplify by here 750 into 2 into the pi value is what? Pi is equal to take 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius 42 by 100 will take better. It will help us for cancellation also. And what about h? 1 will. Simplify is better. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 7 1s are 7 6s are 42. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. And write the leftover part better. 75 into 22 into 6 by 5 meter into meter we can write square meters. Now next you can see better 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 left, 5 5 say 25. So 15 into 22 into 6 square meters. 15 2s are 30, 0 3 carry. 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 3, 330 into 6 square meters. 6 0 0, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry. 6 1s are 6, sorry 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 1980 square meters. This is the area of the road which is leveled by road roller in 750 revolutions. Yes, here we have 10th one mark. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has diameter 14. Base diameter is 14 centimeter. They are going to pack the milk in cylindrical container and the height is 20 centimeter. A company places a label around the surface of container. This is the label of the company. It is there around the container, cylindrical container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, means from top 2 centimeter there is no label. Even from the bottom 2 centimeters there is no label. What is the area of the label? They are asking what is the area of the label. See, they give diameter is 14 meter. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. So radius is equal to what? Half of diameter, which is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters. So radius is equal to what? 7 centimeters. Then what is the height? Height also we need to find. See, height from 20 meters. From height 20 meters. See, they say height 20 centimeters, radius 14 centimeters. 20 centimeters, sorry here. Yes. From height 20 centimeters. Total from top to till bottom height is 20 centimeters. From that 20, they said top 2 centimeter is not labeled. So remove the top 2. And also bottom 2 centimeter is not labeled. So remove that bottom 2 also. So height is equal to what now? 20 centimeter minus 2 minus 2, we can write minus 4 centimeters. So height is equal to 20 minus 4, 16 centimeter. 16 centimeters. Only 16 centimeters of height is labeled. So top 2 centimeter not labeled, bottom 2 not labeled. 2 plus 2 4, 20 minus 4, which gives 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters is labeled. Yes. Now we have to find what is the area of the label. See what a solution. Area of label is equal to. It's enough to find LSA. All the lateral faces they covered with label. So to know the area of the label, it's enough to find LSA of cylinder. LSA of cylinder. What is the formula? We have 2 pi RH. So 2 into the pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius of cylinder is 7 centimeters into height of cylinder is 16 centimeters. Simplify this. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Yes, 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 16, centimeter square. Simplify this. 16 4 is 64. 4 6 16 4 is 64 plus 6 704 square centimeters. So this will become the area of level. Area of level is equal to 704 square centimeters. Here the important thing is height. Should not take height 20 centimeters because the 20 centimeter height is not labeled. From 20 top 2 is not labeled, bottom 2 is not labeled. Because of that, I subtracted the top 2 centimeters and bottom 2 centimeters. Only 16 centimeters of height is labeled. Hope it is clear to all. Yes, today class we learned some of the applications based on LSA, TSA of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Hope this concept is clear to all. Based on that, from exercise 11.3, try to complete this in class work. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.